Hi everyone, welcome back.
Hi, I'm Mark.
I'm Lucy. Today we talk about a cheap weekend plan.
Yes, a simple plan for Saturday afternoon.
Sometimes we want to go out, but we don't want to spend money.
Or we feel tired, but we still want fresh air.
We will practice easy English for go, walk, and park.
And we have a small problem too. It gets windy.
No worries, step by step. Let's start. Before we start, how are you today, Mark?
I'm okay. I'm a little tired. How about you?
I'm good. I have more energy today.
Nice. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did. I slept well. And you?
Well, not really. I went to bed late.
Oh, that's hard. No worries.
Thanks. What about the weather today?
It's a bit cold. And it's windy.
Windy again. My hair says no.
Haha, yes. How was your week?
Busy. But it was okay. How was yours?
Also busy. But I'm happy it's Saturday soon.
I know.
Okay, now let's talk about our topic.
Cheap plans, right?
Yes, a simple Saturday afternoon plan.
I like that. I don't want stress.
Same. Some learners feel a blank mind when they speak.
Yes, like, what do I say now?
That's okay. We will use small, easy sentences.
And we can repeat.
Exactly. We will talk about a plan in 3 parts.
Start, middle, and end.
Good. And we will keep it calm and real.
Can I ask questions when I'm not sure?
Yes, please. Ask anytime.
Great. Let's do it.
Let's start with the first part. How do you choose a cheap plan, Mark?
I think simple. I go to a park or I walk.
Nice. You said park and walk.
Yes, it feels easy.
What day do you like for this plan?
Saturday afternoon.
Great. Saturday afternoon is perfect.
Lucy, can I say cheap plan? Is it okay?
Yes, it's okay. Cheap means low cost.
And free means zero money, right?
Yes, exactly. Micro teaching time. Cheap is low money. Free is no money. Example, this snack is cheap. Example, the park is free.
Oh, I like that. Simple.
Good job. Now, what do you want today? Cheap or free?
Free, please. My wallet is tired.
The wallet is tired. I understand.
So I can say, I want a free plan.
Yes, perfect. Where do you want to go?
I want to go to the park.
Nice. And do you want to walk there?
Maybe, if it's not too far.
Good. If it's far, what can you do?
I can drive, or I can take a bus.
Great options.
Lucy, can I say I go park?
Almost. Say, I go to the park. Micro teaching time. We say go to plus a place. Go to the park, go to the store, go to work.
So I should say, I go to the park on Saturday.
Yes, very good. What about walking? Do you like walking, Mark?
Yes, but sometimes I get tired.
That's real life. No worries.
If I'm tired, can I say, I'm tired so I go home?
Yes, that works. Let's build the plan with small steps.
Okay.
First, you choose park or walk.
Then I check the time.
After that, you decide morning or afternoon.
I choose afternoon.
Nice. That was clear.
Can I ask one more thing?
Of course.
If I don't know, can I say, maybe I go to the park?
Yes. Maybe is great when you are not sure.
Good. Then I feel calm.
Exactly. Calm English. Do you want to go alone or with someone?
With someone, it's more fun.
Who do you invite?
A friend or my family.
Nice. And what do you say?
Do you want to go to the park on Saturday afternoon?
Perfect question.
And if they say no?
Then you can still go, step by step.
True, I can still walk.
Yes, a walk is free.
Lucy, is walk in the park okay?
Yes. Walk in the park is good. You can also say, I take a walk.
Take a walk. Is that hard?
It's common, but we can keep it simple. You can say, I walk. That's enough.
Great. Simple is better for me.
Same here. So your start is, choose a free plan.
Yes, park or walk.
Good. Ready to move to the middle part?
Yes, but one question.
Go ahead.
If it is windy, do I still go?
Good question. We will talk about windy soon.
Okay, I'm ready.
Now the middle part, prepare at home.
Okay, I prepare snacks and water.
Great. You said snacks and water.
Yes, I don't want to buy food outside.
Smart. What snack do you like?
A simple snack, maybe fruit.
Nice. And how much water do you take?
1 bottle, sometimes 2.
Good.
Lucy, can I say I make a snack?
Yes. Make is fine. Like, I make a snack at home.
Good. And I make water is not okay, right?
Right. We don't make water. We get water or bring water.
Bring. I bring water.
Perfect. Micro teaching time. Make is for food. Make a snack. Make a sandwich. Bring is to take with you. Bring water. Bring a jacket.
Bring a jacket. I think I need that today.
Why?
Because it gets windy.
Yes. Here comes our mini problem.
Windy can be annoying.
True. What happens when it gets windy for you?
My eyes get dry, and I feel cold.
That's real. What can you do?
I can bring a jacket, and maybe a hat.
Great ideas.
Can I ask a question?
Yes.
How do I say this? It is more wind now.
Good try. Say, it's windier now.
Windier. Like more windy.
Yes. Windy can become windier.
Is that A1 or A2?
It's okay. But you can also say, it's very windy.
Great. I like very windy.
Me too. Simple is fine.
Lucy, what if I forget my water?
Good question. You can say, I forgot my water.
And then I feel stressed.
That happens. No worries. You can buy water or you can go back home.
Or I can ask a friend, right?
Yes. You can ask, can I have some water?
Nice.
Let's do a short, simple mini story. First, I make a snack. Then, I get my water. After that, I look outside. It is windy.
And then?
Then I bring a jacket.
Great. That is clear. Can I do my mini story too?
Yes, please.
First, I check the weather. Then, I make a snack. After that, I bring water. And I bring a jacket because it's windy.
Perfect. Great job.
Lucy, what does check the weather mean?
Micro teaching time. Check means look and see. Example, I check the weather. Example, I check the time.
Oh, like I check my phone.
Yes, exactly.
One more question.
Sure.
If I feel tired before I go, what do I say?
You can say, I'm tired, but I want to go.
I like that. It feels honest.
Yes, real life.
And if I don't go, I can say, I'm tired, so I stay home.
Perfect. No pressure. Okay, now we are ready for the end part.
Wait, Lucy, 2 quick questions.
Go ahead.
Do I say snack or snacks?
Good question. One is a snack. Many is snacks.
And do I say a water?
No, we usually say water or a bottle of water.
Ah, a bottle of water. Great.
Great questions. Let's go to the park part now. Now the end part. Do the free activity.
We go to the park and we walk.
Nice. What time do we go?
Saturday afternoon.
Great. Let's do a short role play.
Okay, are we friends?
Yes, we are friends.
Perfect.
Hey, Mark, do you want to go to the park on Saturday afternoon?
Yes, I do. What time?
Maybe at 2? Is that okay?
Yes. Where do we meet?
At the park entrance.
Great. Should I bring water?
Yes, bring water and bring a snack.
Okay, I can make a snack at home.
Perfect.
Lucy, it's windy today. Do we still go?
Good question. Yes, but we bring a jacket.
And what if I feel tired?
Then we walk slowly, no rush.
Okay, that feels better.
Now we arrive at the park. What do you say?
I say, "Hi Lucy, I'm here."
Nice. Then what do we do first?
First, we walk. Then we sit on a bench. After that, we eat a snack. And we drink water.
Great sequence. Very clear. Micro teaching time. First, then, after that, helps your story. Example. First we walk. Example. Then we sit. Example. After that, we go home.
I like that. It helps my brain.
Now, a small real-life moment. The wind gets stronger.
Oh no, my eyes.
What do you do?
I stop. I face away from the wind. Then I put on my jacket. After that, I take a drink of water. And I rest for 1 minute.
Perfect. That's a good, calm plan.
Can I ask a question about tired?
Yes.
What is the difference? I'm tired and I'm sleepy.
Micro teaching time. Tired is low energy. Sleepy is you want to sleep. Example, I'm tired after work. Example, I'm sleepy at night.
Oh, so at the park I can say, I'm tired, not I'm sleepy.
Yes, unless you want to sleep on the bench?
Haha, a park nap. That is a very cheap plan.
Yes, free and funny. Now we finish the walk. How do you feel?
I feel good. I feel calm.
Nice. And what do we do next?
We go home happy.
Great. What do you say at the end?
I say, thanks, Lucy. That was nice.
And I say, you're welcome. See you next Saturday.
Wait, Lucy, 2 questions.
Okay.
Can I say, let's go home?
Yes, that's perfect.
And can I say, I'm happy to go home?
Yes, also good.
Great. I feel more confident now.
Good job. Step by step. Now let's do a viewer question.
Yes. A simple practice question.
Viewer question. What is your cheap plan for Saturday afternoon?
And what do you bring with you?
You can write a comment like this. On Saturday afternoon, I go to the Bautorstand. I bring Jahrsaut.
Or, I'm tired, so we as. But I still want and so.
Nice. Let's recap our plan.
Start. Choose a cheap plan. Park or walk.
Middle. Prepare at home, make a snack, bring water.
And check the weather. It can be windy.
And do the free activity. Walk at the park, then go home happy.
Simple and real.
Quick practice tip. Speak in small steps. 1 short sentence, then 1 more.
And use first, then, after that to help your story.
Yes. Also, repeat the key words.
Go, walk, make.
Park, snack, water,
Saturday, afternoon.
windy, tired.
Lucy, can I ask one last question?
Sure.
If I don't know a word, what do I do?
Use a simple word you know, or describe it. No worries.
That helps a lot.
Great. Ready to close?
Yes, let's close.
Okay, that's it for today.
Great job for practicing with us.
Remember, simple English is strong English.
Yes, step by step.
Write your comment. On Saturday afternoon, I go to the I bring.
We want to read your ideas.
If this helped you, please like and subscribe.
And practice 5 minutes a day, just 5.
You can repeat this talk again tomorrow.
Or try it with a new plan.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.